David Utada, Managing Director of Strategic Energy Resources, with an exploration update covering our 100% owned Isa North IOCG project in Northwest Queensland. The project captures the northern extension of the heavily mineralised Mount Gordon Gunpowder Fault Zone, host to multiple large mineral deposits including Mount Isa, Mount Oxide and the Gunpowder deposits, which are along the fault southwest of the project area. Isa North has all the right geological characteristics to host a world-class IOCG deposit, including a major mineralised fault zone, evidence of extensive hydrothermal alteration undercover, and numerous magnetic and gravity anomalies. And there's plenty of interest in the region, with our project currently surrounded by FMG, Rio Tinto and Anglo American, and we're all searching for the next major copper discovery undercover. Since we acquired the project, our team has completed a comprehensive review of the geophysical data and previous diamond drilling at the project, with a focus on refining drill targets at the central Nardoo Prospect, just north of the potential near-miss hole drilled by Newcrest in 2018, which has never been followed up. Back in 2022, we teamed up with Caldera Analytics to develop a machine learning model capable of classifying basement lithology using geophysical data across the project area, which identified numerous hydrothermal magnetite targets, including target N8, which is located at Nardoo. And then, to ensure we have the best geophysical data before we drill test any targets, late last year, we upgraded both the gravity and magnetic data coverage over Nardoo to ensure we have the best data before we look at drill testing. Furthermore, as part of SER's commitment to R&D, we've established a research project with the Centre for Ore Deposits and Earth Sciences in Tasmania to examine the trace elemental chemistry of historical drill core at Isa North and any new drilling we complete, to look for specific mineral chemistries which may act as proximity indicators for a major mineral deposit in the Mount Isa inline. Just another example of SER using cutting-edge science to guide exploration. With drill targeting now complete at Nardoo, we're looking to be on ground mid-year once the weather conditions improve in central Queensland to test one or more of these targets at the Nardoo area. If you want to learn more about the project, head to our website, and if there's still any questions or feedback, always happy to take a call. Thanks.